Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 22 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to implement the user login logout functionality where we will make the mobile number field unique. We will do this via token, right? And we will obtain the token with the username and password. We will send the username password from the front end to back end, and then we will obtain token and store in the local browser, and according to the local browser condition we will show the login logout link, and we will also add the logout functionality, right? So these things that we are going to do in this login logout video. In the last video we have seen that how we can add the user sign up functionality with the Next.js and Django Rest Framework. So this is our sign up, right? I have added some few things which are apart from the video, but I will add in the repository, right? What I have added, let me show you. I have added in the video I was showing you that we have a sign up form, but now I have created a sign up component, and I'm just adding the sign up component in the router page, right? I'm doing this because I want to add the metadata, and metadata only works in the server component, right? And sign up server pages or component, and sign up component is a client component, because we need to apply the user event functionality like click and all the thing. So we need that because we need to use the user state also, right? And one more thing that I have applied the use reference. Why we have applied? Because after submitting this form I want to reset this form, so I'm triggering this button after sign up successfully, right? So you can see here we are using the use reference. By default it's null, and then in the success I'm just changing its current field to click, right? And we are using the use reference here in the reset button. Let me show you. So here reference is reset button, and by default it's null, and when it's then we are storing the click, we are adding the we are triggering the click, right? So these things that I have added apart from the video, and in the current video, in this video we are going to add the user login logout functionality, right? So here we will add the link, and if user is logged in then we will show the logout else login, and this is our login page, right? So the process is when the user submit this mobile and password, then we will get the user from the mobile and password, and we will authenticate with the username and password, because we are storing when we are signing up, right? And authentication is by default work on username password, so we will not customize that. According to the mobile number and the password we will fetch the username, and with the username and password we will authenticate, obtain the token, right? And then store the token in the local storage, and with the local storage condition we can check that all that user is logged in or not. So this is the flow that we are going to implement, right? So let's start to do that. Okay, so first of all we will submit this data to the server, right? So what we will do, so here we have a sign up component. I will copy this one, copy, create a new, and paste here, and I will say this is sign up component. I will say login.js, correct? And in the login, oh sorry, we have already a login, sorry, we just need to remove this, delete, right? Where we have a, this is a sign up, this is our login, right? So here we have a page, right? And here I will create login.js, correct? And in the login.js I will copy paste all the things here, correct? And this will be this name will be login, right? And let's remove this, we are doing this because we just want to we can't use the user state in our server component. By default, Next.js, whatever we create in the component or page, it will be by default server component, but we need use client because we need to implement some events, right? Like a click and all. So we need to use the click we need to use the click sorry, client component. All right, so here we have created a login, right? Login component. Where is that? This is our login, right? And we will copy this one, this page, and paste it here, right? And from the, let's remove this. Let's import login. This is our login, and we will import the login and store it here. Correct. So now let's okay, so you can see the login. Now I just want to add the metadata, so let's copy the metadata. Okay, so this will help us in the SEO, search engine optimization, right? So here you can see this is login, right? Now we can submit the data same as we are doing in the sign up. Okay, so we are doing in the sign up, so let's go to the sign up component. Here you can see, so what we need to do, we don't need the user reference because we just want to redirect the user, right, on the dashboard. So let's copy this one, all this functionality, copy this, and let's go to the login component and paste it here, right? Now what we need, we just need mobile number and password, right? So let's keep the two things. So this is the password, and let's say mobile, right? So mobile here, and else other things we will remove, right? So handle form, we need the success message and all the things. Let's say login, we'll create this, and we don't need this reference. Error, we are showing the same thing, we are adding in the p tag, right? And what else? So let's this type, so let's add a name, let's say mobile. Placeholder should be star 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 star, right? Name should be password. Correct. We don't need the reset button, I think, here. Just need the submit, and forget password. Okay, so sign up here. Okay, this is okay. So let's see this here. User state is not defined. Okay, so let's use the user state. So use state, correct. So here we have you are importing the content, use it work. Okay, so we need to define this component is client component, right? Correct. So this is our login page, and we are ready to send the user to this API. So let's create this API now. All right, so we'll go to the where is the backend here, and we'll go to the website app, right? In the URL we have sign up, so let's say login, correct. And here we will say, okay, so let's say user login view, right? And we'll open the view, and here we have, we'll go to, we just need the retrieve method, right? So here retrieve API view, here we will retrieve. Oh, we can't use the retrieve API because retrieve API will expect the primary key, right? So what we will do now, we will use the let me remove this one also. We will use the default obtain token from the Django Rest Framework, right? Okay, so let's create the API for login. So what we need to do, let's go to the URL, and here first of all we will create the login, right, and user login view named view, right. So here, right, so I will copy this. So if you see this, then what we are doing here, we are overriding the post method with the generic API view, right. So here we have a user login serializer. If I go to the user login serializer, we have two fields, mobile and password, correct. And from the serializer we are just validating the data. If it's valid, then by default error is none, and we are just fetching the data from the profile model, right, matching with the mobile, right. So if mobile exists, then we are fetching the user, and we are checking the password. And if password, then uh, we are fetching the token or creating the token. For this token, what we need to do, we need to, first of all, we need to add this token app in our settings.py file. Here, let me go to you. So here, where is that, rest framework dot auth dot token, right. And after that, we also need to add the authentication class, default authentication class, which should be authentication token authentication, right. Then after this, we can use the token model from our rest framework, from the rest framework to auth token models, importing the token, and then we can use the token, right. So let's try to use this, let's try to work, let's try to see this, that what it is returning, right. So I will add a mobile number. Let me show you here. So some mobile, let's see, submit. So what it is, let's go to the network and let's see here what it is returning. Okay, so it means multiple data is added with this mobile. It should be not, because we need to add the unique mobile number, right. So let's go to let's go to profiles. Let's go here, and let's remove this number, and let's add 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right. Copy this, save this. Which one was that? 61 number, right. So user, so this one, let me change the password, right. Okay, let's change password. What is this? All right, change password. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, submit, and here you can see it's returning the token, right. So it's returning the token. With this token, what we will do next, we will save this token in our local storage, and we will check if the token is exist. Then we will show the logout link here, and user can do whatever they have ability to do after the login, right. Like they can manage the dashboard or whatever, they can book the event and all the things, right. And one more thing before that, we need to do, we need to add the unique mobile number thing in our model, in our profile model. Let's do that first, then we will save in the local storage, and we will apply the logout link here, right. Okay, so let's apply the unique mobile number in our profile model, right. So here we have a profile model, and for this we will apply unique equal to true. Before that, I think we should delete the data, because we have some data which has no unique mobile number. So what I will do, I will remove all this data, delete users. Okay, and I'm sure, let's go to profiles, no profile. Okay, so let's do one thing then. we can apply the uniqueness. So let's go here, py manage.py make migrations, right? And then py manage.py migrate, correct? So py manage.py run server. All right, now let's sign up. Username, password, mobile number, right? And submit. So thank you for joining us. Now log in this. Now let's see this in the console, submit. So it should return the token. Yes, this token is here. Okay. All right, so one more thing, let's test this, that if same number exists, then it should show the error. So what is the sk1@Artisan lab, submit? This is showing error, but we need to show the error here, right? So let's show this error here. Okay, so for the error, what we will do here, you can see that this error is showing. So what we need to do, I'm checking that if the profile key is exist in our response, then we will get the data according to the profile, because this is a nested nested foreign key, because mobile is existing in the profile, right? So we will work according to the profile key, else we will work according to general, like we were doing. Okay, so with this method we can show the errors, correct? So if I let's see, submit this, username and password, right? And I'm adding the same mobile number, so submit. So mobile exists. If I change the number, then it will show thank you for joining us, right? And now we can log in, and we can show the logout link, right? So let's uh, redirect to another page, or redirect to the dashboard or something like that, and we will show the logout link. Okay, so let's use the local storage. So here you can see that we will use, in the login success, we will use local storage dot set item, right? And here we have a user object. So the first key will be our name of the key, and the second will be json dot string. We can save only string in the local storage, right? So we will say, we will convert the object to strings, right? So this will set the user, correct? So let's see now. If I open this and if I go to the storage, let's see, right? So username, password, sorry, mobile and password, submit. Let's go to the local storage, and here you can see that this is user and this is token, right? And now in the header we will see, if user and token is exist, then we will show the logout link, correct? So where is our common header? Here, right? And here we will get the user. So in the default functionality, correct, we will say constant user equal to local storage dot get item, sorry, get item name user, and then user equal to parse what is that? JSON dot parse, and this will convert the string to JSON, and we can, let's see the console here, user. All right, so fail to cannot reason the variable with a constant. Where is that? Oh, sorry. Let's say where. Correct. Local storage is not defined. Why this is? Okay. We need to use this as a client component, because local storage only we can use in the client component. So let's use this as a client component. All right, so let's see now. So console user, it should be show the user. Here you can see this is showing the user, correct? And we will see if this user, then we will show the login logout link. Okay, so what we need to do, one more thing, we need the user state. I think no need to show the user state. User, we have sign up and login, correct? Sign up and book event, so we will show the book event only if user logged in, right? Okay, let's keep it as it is. We will show the sign up if user is not logged in, else we will show the logout link, correct? So let's create, we should show the here. Okay, let's remove this. So we'll say user and then we will show this if not, correct? If user dot mobile equal to empty, then we will show the sign up, right? Else we will show the logout. Okay, not empty, then we will show the logout link, user logout, correct? No need the button, just logout link, correct? So, and margin top, no need margin top also. This should be like this, nav item me, this one, copy and paste here. Okay, sorry, I think no need for the button. Okay, this is fine. Margin top we need to give a bit. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, should we remove the button class? This is going to top nav item, but no, nav link here, and this should be like this. Let's remove the text white. This is fine. Okay, so when we click on this, it should go to the login page, right? So, and also we need to redirect to this dashboard one. So do we have any dashboard kind of thing? No, we don't have. Let's redirect to the login page actually, right? Let's redirect to the login page. After logout also, and after login, we can say, let's create the, oh, we have dashboard sidebar. Where is our dashboard? Here. Oh yeah, so after login here, where is that? Here. So we can redirect to the dashboard, correct? So redirect to dashboard. Okay. Okay, so here we will apply location.href user dashboard, right? So this is a, you can say, traditional way to redirect, right? Currently we will use this. One more thing, when we click on this, it should redirect to the login page. Currently it is showing the login page, but we need to redirect, right? So what we will do, where is that? Where is the, okay, we need to create the one more folder. Let's create new folder, not here. We will create in the user new folder, logout, and in the logout we will create new file, page.js, right? So this will work as a router. So we'll copy this, paste here, we'll remove everything, right? So remove everything here, just keep the necessary things. Actually we do no need to return anything actually, so just keep the empty section. All right, and let's remove also this. This should be logout, and here we will apply what we will apply here. We will apply local storage dot remove item user, right? And redirect to login, correct? Right, so let's see now. So if I click here, it is saying user dashboard user is not null. Where is that? Logout. Oh, sorry, we need to give this user logout. Logout is fine. Login.js, page.js, we have this one. Login, oh, location dot, sorry. So if I click on this, user is not null. Let's go again. Where is that? I think in the header, right? So let's go to header and user. If user and, sorry, and user dot mobile, right? So user and user dot mobile, correct? So this should show the sign up equal to empty, then show the sign up. If user, if not user, so okay, so sign up is showing now. Sign up, click here login. So when we click on submit, it will redirect to here, and this is working, correct? So when we click on the logout, it will show everything. Okay, so our login logout functionality is working now. Let me show you one more thing. We have this one. Let's go to recent places, videos. So in the user login logout, make mobile number field unique, obtain the token local storage, add logout link in the header conditionally, correct? Add logout functionality we have add. Okay, so this one is completed, right? Now we will work in the next video. We will work on the user forgot password, right? And if need any change, then we will add in this. We will add on the way in the SWAG 22 video, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and I am uploading this video, after very long time, but I will try to upload as soon as possible. And yeah, so stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab, I will say, and I will try to upload more videos in daily basis. So thank you. And if you need the source code of this project, then please go to codeartisanlab.com, and I have provided instructions that how you can download the code, how you can get the code, right? So you just need to pay some amount, and I will provide you the source code, right? And if you need any other projects for practice for the Django or Laravel or anything, then you can go to projectsplaza.com, and here you can download the projects, very low cost rate, correct? So let's see when this is loading and how this is loading. Let's wait 1 minute. And we have accomplished 500 video target, right? So it's a big thing for me, correct? So whenever it will load, you can download projectsplaza.com. From here you can see the projects, and for your practice, and you can download, you can purchase, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, and let's see what how and what we will do in the next video for the user password, right? Thank you so much.